Hey there, prompt engineers. Welcome back to our prompt engineering series. Today, we are going to dive into advanced techniques to take your prompts to the next level. Say hello to using ChatGPT's on output as input, creating multiple step prompts, and using self referential prompts. So, let's see using ChatGPT's on output as input. This is called prompt chaining or output to input technique. For example, an initial prompt is write a story about a character who discovers a hidden world. So, this is the ChatGPT output, and we should stop this. Yeah. So, our follow up prompt is continue the story exploring the hidden world using the same tone and style as before. In this case, we stop this. But what if you are writing 5000 word story with the help of ChatGPT? So after writing 700 to 800 words, ChatGPT stops. Now you are wondering what you can do. So you can write a follow-up prompt to continue the flow of your writing. So by using ChatGPT's on output as input, we can create a continuous flow of ideas and generate more coherent and engaging content. So let's move towards second term, that is creating multi-step prompts. Another advanced technique is creating multi-step prompts. This involves breaking down a complex task into smaller manageable steps. So we write ChatGPT a step 1. Yes. Step 1. Explain the concept of black holes in simple terms. Okay, so our follow-up prompt is step 2. Use the explanation from step 1 to create an analogy. Guys, what is analogy? Do you remember? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, back to topic. Create an analogy for understanding the black holes. Now, ChatGPT is creating an analogy for understanding black holes based on the explanation of step 1. Okay, so step 3, write a short story incorporating the analogy from step 2. Now, ChatGPT write a short story based on step 2. So we can use multi-step prompts in those cases where our task is so complex and huge and we break down into small and manageable pieces that ChatGPT can clearly understand what our goal is. Okay, so moving towards our third technique, that is using self-referential prompts. Basically, self-referential prompts involves referencing the prompt itself or the output generated by ChatGPT. Let's understand with the help of example. A prompt is write a story about a character who discovers a hidden world using a self-referential prompt. The story should include a character who is writing a story about a character who discovers a hidden world. Self-referential prompts can create a meta level of creativity and generate more innovative and engaging responses. That's it for today's video. Remember, advanced prompt engineering techniques require experimentation and iteration. Try out these techniques and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more ChatGPT prompt engineering tips and tricks. See you in the next video.